Still like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you jump back. Do it 5. Go back. One leg. Come up. Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I will show you how you can get your stamina back. If you want to get a stamina, leg stamina, body stamina back, this exercise is for you. For new beginners at home, you can do it in your house. Let me show you. Then you try to stay with one leg. Come up. Let me change it. Try to go with one leg. Then you change. See? Then you come back again. From front, you jump to the front. You stay on your toes. Then you go back. You jump on your toes again, come front. Then you jump back. No? Still like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you jump back. Then easy. Then you jump back. Do it. Still your toes. Then you jump back. Again. So this one, you have to go like this. You have to push your leg like this. You go back. You go back. Do it 5. Go back. You go back. Okay? So you have to go with this one. You go back. You go back. You go back. You go back. So guys, this exercise, you still on your toe, like stand on your toe like this. Stand on your toe very well. You count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, guys, this is simple exercise that you can do at home to regain your stamina at home without going to the gym. Make sure you do like, subscribe, share it to people, okay? So guys, every day check my videos, my last videos, my upcoming videos. Make sure you stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe.